Good morning, my dear lovely children. How are you? I hope all are fine and safe. Back to Maths online class. In the previous class, we already discussed some rules, no children, divisibility rules. Today, we are going to discuss about the remaining divisibility rules. At first, I am going to revise all the divisibility rules one by one. Okay, children, now open your textbooks. Page number 111, Unit 5, Number Theory. Divisibility by 2. What is the rule of divisibility by 2? All the even numbers are divisible by 2. What is the rule? All the even numbers. What are the even numbers, children? 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. These are the even numbers. Once again, see here, what are the even numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are divisible by 2. These are the even numbers. Even numbers are divisible by 2. For example, see here one example, 1438. See here 1438. In ones place, what is the number? In ones place, even number is there, no? So, this number is total, the number is divisible by 2. In ones place, even number is there, means the total number is divisible by 2. See here, 8 is there in 2 table or not? Yes, 8 is there in 2 table. So, this number is divisible by 2. 1438 is divisible by 2. Again, see one more example. 1847. 1847. Is this number is divisible or not? Tell me, children, this number is divisible by 2 or not? No. Why? Because yes, in ones place the even number is not there. Here what is the number? 7. 7 is a even number or an odd number? 7 is an odd number. So this number, total this number is not divisible by 2. 1847 is not divisible by 2. In ones place even number is there, means then only the number is divisible. Otherwise the number is not divisible by 2. Divisibility by 10. What is its divisibility by 10? See here what is the rule? A number is divisible by 10 if the ones digit is 0. If the ones digit is 0. What is the rule? In the ones digit 0 is there, means then only the number is divisible by 10. For example, see here 24840. In ones place, what is the number? 0 is there, no? What is the rule here, children? If the ones digit is 0, here ones digit is 0 is there or not there? Yes, 0 is there. So, total this number is divisible by 10. See here, 24840 is divisible by 10. Why? Because ones place the number is 0. That's why the total number is divisible by 10. See one more example. What is the number in ones place, children? In ones place the number is 4. What is the number here? 4. Is this number is divisible by 10 or not? No. Why? Because in ones place 0 is not there. That's why the total number is not divisible by 10. 148904 is not divisible by 10. Okay, children, did you understand? In ones place 0 is there only, then only the number is divisible by 10. Otherwise, the number is not divisible by 10. Okay? 5. Next, third one is divisible by 5. All numbers having either 0 or 5. See here, all numbers having either 0 or 5 in their ones. 0 or 5 in their ones column are divisible by 5. Okay, children, see here, all the numbers having either 0 or 5. See the example. What is the rule? Either 0 or 5. In ones place, no? What is the ones place number? Here the ones place number is 5. What is the number here? The number is 5. In their ones column 5 is there or not there? Yes, 5 is there. Then the total number is divisible by 5. Okay, see 4, 5, 8, 9, 5 is divisible by 5. Next, see the second example. 4,890. In ones column, what is the number, children, here? In ones column, the number is 0. 0 is there means it is divisible by 5 or not? Yes. The total number is divisible by 5. See, once see the rule here. All numbers having either 0 or 5. Either 0 or 5. Here what is the number? 0. 0 is there means is this number is total, this number is divisible by 5 or not? Yes. 4,890 is divisible by 5. Just we have to write here 4,890 is divisible by 5. Okay. 3. We already discussed in previous class, now children. We all know this very well. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits. Once again see, the sum of its digits is exactly divisible by 3. Sum of the digits is exactly divisible by 3. Did you understand, children? So, once see the example here. 936. See the example 936. What here we have to do? Tell me, children, what we have to do here? We already discussed in previous class. Now, tell what we have to do here. Yes, very good. The sum of its digits. Sum of its digits. Sum of its digits means we have to add these three numbers. 9 plus 3 plus 6. Sum of the digits means we have to add these three numbers. Okay, what is the number here? 9 plus 3 plus 6. 9 plus 3 means how much? 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 6 is equals to how much? 18. Okay. See, children, 9 plus 3 is equals to 12. 12 plus 6 is equals to 18. 18 is divisible by 3 or not? Again, we have to check exactly divisible by 3, no? So, in 3 table, 18 is there or not there? Once see, children, here, 3 table, 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 six are 18. See here. 3 6 the number is 18. Here also 18 is there. So 18 is divisible by 3. Total this number also divisible by 3. Sum of the digits is exactly divisible by 3 means then only this number is divisible by 3. Okay, children? In 18, 3 table 18 is there or not there? Yes. 3 6 are 18. That's why 936 is divisible by 3. Okay, did you understand, children? Here what we have to do? Here we have to do the sum. Sum means addition. Sum of its digits, no? Here we have 3 digits. We have to add these 3 digits. So what is the number here? 18. Again we have to check 18 is there or not there in 3 table. 18 is there or not there? Yes. In 3 table 18 is there. That's why this total 3 digit number is divisible by 3 table. By 9. Divisible by 9 and 3 are both are same equal. See, children, a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. See here, if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Once see the example, it will be very clear. See here, what is the number? 937. 937. See this number. What we have to do here? What is the solution? The sum of its digits. Sum of its digits means we have to add these three numbers. We have to add these three numbers. 9 plus 3 plus 7. See here, 9 plus 3 plus 7. Sum of the three digits is divisible by 9. What is the sum here? 9 plus 3 plus 7 is equals to total how much? The number is 19. See, 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. 10 plus 9 is equals to 19. Again we have to check here, 19 is there in 9 table or not. Okay children, what we have to check here? 19 is there in 9 table or not. Once see the 9 table here. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. See, in between 18 and 27 the 19 is there, no? So here 19 is divisible by 9 or not? No, 19 is not there in 9 table. That's why 937 is not divisible by 9. See children, again one more example. 9, 3, 6. 936. What we have to do here? The sum of its digits. Sum of its digits means 9 plus 3 plus 6 is equals to, what is the number here? 9 plus 3 is equals to 9. 9 plus 9 is equals to 18. 18 is there or 9? There are not there in 9 table? Yes. 9 twos are 18. So, 936 is divisible by 9. 936 is divisible by 9. Okay children, see here the sum we have to add. No, sum means addition. That number is must and should divisible by 9. Then only the this total number is there. No? That number is divisible by 9. Okay, did you understand? Divisible by 4. See children, divisible by 4. A number ending in 2 zeros. See, a number ending in 2 zeros. See here example. Here what is the last two digits? 17900. Here what is the last two digits? The last two digits are 0. See here the rule, a number ending in 2 zeros. Here last two zeros are there, no? So this number is divisible by 4. Last two digits unte fourth divisible avutadi. And next see, last two digits form a number which is divisible by 4. Last two digits. Again we have to take one more example. See the example. 3, 5, 9, 6. Okay. This is the example children. Last two digits. Last two digits means what is the number here? 9, 6. The last two digits are 9, 6. Here we have to do the division. We have to do the division from 4. Okay. By using 4 we have to do the division. In 4 table 9 is there or not there? Not there. 4 2s are 8. 9 plus 9 minus 8 is equals to 1. Again we have to take the number to borrow here. 16. In 4 table 16 is there or not there? Yes. 4s are 16. The remainder is 0. So 96 is divisible by 4. So here see this number 3596. The total this number also divisible by 4. Why? Because again we have to check. See here children. Last two digits are, what are the last two digits here? 9, 6. Last two digits are 96. In 4 table we have to check the last two digits. In 4 table we are checking. What is the remainder? Remainder 0 means the number is divisible by 4. That's why here the total number is divisible by 4. 3596 is divisible by 4. Okay.
Okay children, now see the next one, divisibility by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digits in the odd places and the sum of the digits in the even places is either 0 or a multiple of 11. Here what we have to do, here we have to calculate the sum of the odd places and sum of the even places. Again we have to do the difference. Difference means subtraction. First we have to add the sum of the odd places and sum of the even places. Afterwards we have to subtract. Okay, have an example. See the example, listen carefully children.
Okay, now divisibility by 11 example. Already I told the definition. No? Now see the example. See here, what is the example here? 4, 3, 7, 9, 2, 1. Now what we have to do here? Sum of the odd places and sum of the even places. See the odd places and even places. Here first we have to take the odd numbers. This is the odd and here this one also odd. Alternate numbers we have to take. So here sum of the odd places. See here what are the odd places numbers? Odd places. These are the odd place numbers. 4 plus 7 plus 2. Here we have to write 4 plus 7 plus 2. Again sum of the even places. Even places. Already we written the odd places now. Again remaining numbers are even places. These are the even places. 3 plus 9 plus 1. Now sum of the odd places are 4 plus 7 plus 2 and sum of the even places are 3 plus 9 plus 1. Now we have to calculate the number here. See 4 plus 7 plus 2 means what is the total number? 4 plus 7 is equals to how much? 11. 11 plus 2 is equals to, the number is 13. Next see here 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 means what is that? Number 12. 12 plus 1 is equals to, here also 13. Again what we have to do here children is difference between the odd places and even places. Difference between the odd places and even places. Difference means subtraction. See here, their difference. The difference means subtraction. Now what is the solution here? 13 and here also 13. 13 minus 13 is equals to how much? 0. If the solution is 0 means the total number is, what is the total number here? See the example. What is the total number? 4, 3, 7, 9, 2, 1. This total number is divisible by 11. Why? Because the difference is 0, no? That's why the number is divisible by 11. Okay children, first we have to check the sum of the odd places. Sum of the odd places we have to add. Again sum of the even places. Again we have to add the sum of the even places. What is the solution here? 0. Why? Because the difference is 0 now. That's why the total number is divisible by 11. By 6. Now we are going to discuss the divisibility rule by 6. If a number is divisible by both the 2 and 3. See children, if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, it is divisible by 6. Okay children, what is the rule here? Both the 2 and 3 we have to check. See the example 936. See the example children here 936. This is an example. We have to check the 2 table and 3 table. Sorry, 2 divisibility and 3 divisibility. See here what is the rule of divisibility by 2? In ones place, even number is must and should. What are the even numbers? S0, S2, 4, 6 or 8. These are the even numbers. So here in ones place what is the number? 6. In ones place the number is 6. So here this number is divisible by 2 or not? Yes. 936 is divisible by 2. Why? Because in ones place even number is there. Again one more checking is there. What is that? Again we have to check the number is divisible by 3 or not. What is the rule for 3? What is the rule for 3 children? By 3. Yes, sum of the digits. Now here what is the example? 936. Sum of the digits. What is the rule for 3? Sum of the digits. 9 plus 3 plus 6. Sum means addition of 9 plus 3 plus 6. 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. 9 plus 9, 18. In 3 table, 18 is there or not there? Yes. In 3 table, 18 is there. How many times? 3 6 are 18. So, 936 is divisible by 3. Here 936 is divisible by 2 and it is also divisible by 3. Then only the number is divisible by 6. Okay children? Hence 936 is divisible by 6. If the number is not divisible by 2 and the number is divisible by 3 means the total number is not divisible by 6. Why? Because that 2 is not there, no, that's why. Here must and should the divisible is 2 and 3. Must and should it is divisible by 3 and by 3. Then by 2 and by 3. Then only the number is divisible by 6. Okay. Divisible by 12. Children see here divisible by 12. All numbers which are divisible by both 4 and 3 are divisible by 12. Again I am repeating. See children, all numbers which are divisible by both 4 and 3. The number is must and should divisible by 4 and also 3 are divisible by 12. Then only the number is divisible by 12. See the example. 144. First what we have to check? By 4. Here what is the number? 4, no? By 4. 4 means what is the rule? The last 2 digits must and should divisible by 4. Then only the total number is divisible by 4, no? Once see here 144. Here what is the last 2 digits? The last 2 digits are 44. See here children, 44 is divisible by 4 table or not? Yes. 4 ones are 4, again 4 ones are 4, the remainder is 0. Here 44 is divisible by 4 table. So here the total number, what is the total number here? 144. 144 is divisible by 4. 144 is divisible by 4. Why? Because the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, no? That's why the total number is divisible by 4. Again by 3. By 3. What is the example here? 144. What is the rule by 3? Is sum of the digits. Sum of the digits means we have to add these numbers now. Yes. 1 plus 4 plus 4. 1 plus 4 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is equals to how much? 5. 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. By 3 no? What is the sum here? 9. In 3 table, 9 is there or not there? Once see here. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Again 3 threes are 9. In 3 table, 9 is there. 3 threes are 9. So here 144 is divisible by which table children? Yes, 3 table. Here the number is divisible by 4 and also it is divisible by 3. Which number? 144. So if the numbers are divisible by both these two numbers, then only the number is divisible by 3. Here the two numbers are divisible, no? Yes, divisible by 4 is also possible and divisible by 3 is also possible. Hence, see here children, hence 144 is divisible by 12. Okay?
See the ninth one. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 6? Children, already we finished the 8 sums. Now we are going to discuss the ninth one. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 6?
Okay children. Now see the ninth one is there, the ninth question. In that question, first one, 5, 7, 1, 3, 4, 2. What is the question here? Divisibility check. The number is divisible by 6 or not? No. Now, what is the rule for divisibility? 6. That the number is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. Now, see here. First, we have to check by 2. What is this number? 5, 7, 1, 3, 4, 2. What is this number? 5, 7, 1, 3, 4, 2. By 2 means what is the rule? In ones place, must and should the even number. In ones place, must and should the even number. What is the number here, children? The number is 2. 2 is an even number or an odd number? Yes, very good. 2 is an even number. So this whole number is, total this number is divisible by 2. 5, 7, 1, 3, 4, 2 is divisible by 2. And next again what we have to check? The number is divisible by 3 or not? By 3. By 3 means what is the rule? Sum of the digits. Sum of the digits. So here see the number 5 plus 7 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2. Okay, 4 plus 2. 5 plus 7 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2. Okay. Now see 5 plus 7 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2. Total what is the number we get? Tell me children. Yes. 22. Is 22 is there in 3 table or not? 22 is there in 3 table children? Is there or not there? Once check. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 six are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. See here children, what is the number? 3 eights are 24. 3 sevens are 21. In between these two numbers, 22 is there, no? So here 22 is not divisible by 3. 5, 7, 1, 3, 4, 2 is not divisible by 3. Here this number is not divisible by 3. But here this number is divisible by 2, no? Either 2 or 3. Whatever it may be, the number is must and should divisible by 2 and also 3. Either it is not divisible by 2, either it is not divisible by 3 also, the number is not divisible by 6. ఈ 2 numbers divisible అయితేనే 6 తో divisible అవుతుంది, లేకపోతే 6 తోనే divisible అవ్వదు. So here the number is not divisible by 3. So total this number, what is this number? 5, 7, 1, 3, 4, 2 is not divisible by 6.
Children, 10th one. Find which of the following numbers are divisible by 12. Here we are going to check the numbers are divisible by 12 or not. Okay, see which of the following numbers are divisible by 12. See this number.
We have to check this number is divisible by 12 or not. What is the rule? The number is divisible by 4 and 3. The number is divisible by both 4 and 3. This is the rule. First we have to check by 4. See children, what is the number here? 3, 2, 1, 4, 7, 8, 2. What is the rule by 4? The last 2 digits are must and should divisible by 4. Now what are the last 2 digits here? 8, 2. Again here, what is the last 2 digits? 8, 2. Which table we have to divisible by 4? 2 is 8. Here 2 is, we have to take the barrow. Here 0. Here 2 is possible to divisible by 4? No. The remainder is 2 only. Okay, the remainder is 2. Is this number is 82 is divisible by 4 or not? No. Why? Because the remainder is there, no? That's why the 82 is not divisible by 4. So, 3, 2, 1, 4, 7, 8, 2 is not divisible by 4. Again, which table we have to check? By 3. By 3. What is the rule? Sum of its digits. Sum of its digits means we have to add this all the number. See here, 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 2. Okay, one see, 3 plus 2. Next 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 2. Total what is the number? Tell me children, total what is the number? The number is 27. Okay children, did you understand? The total number is 27. 27 is there in 3 table or not? Again we have to check the number. In 3 table, 27 is there or not there children? Tell me. Is there or not there? What is the number? 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. So 27 is divisible by 3. So 3 2 1 4 7 8 2 is divisible by 3. Why? Because 27 is there in 3 table. That's why the total this number is divisible by 3. But here the number is not divisible by 4. Children, listen carefully here. The number is not divisible by 4. Why? Because 82 is not there in 4 table. That's why this number is not divisible by 4. So here the total number is divisible by 12 or not? Tell children, the total number is divisible by 12 or not? No. Hence 3 2 1 4 7 8 2 is not divisible by 12. Why? Because చూడండి అమ్మ ఇక్కడ ఈ 12 టేబుల్ తో ఈ నెంబర్ డివిజిబుల్ అవ్వదు. ఎందుకు అవ్వదు అంటే ఇక్కడ 4 టేబుల్ తో డివిజిబుల్ అయిన నెంబర్ అవ్వలేదు. కాబట్టి ఈ నెంబర్ కూడా డివిజిబుల్ అవ్వదు. ఏ ఒక్క టేబుల్ లో డివిజిబుల్ అవ్వకపోయినా కానీ 12 టేబుల్ తో డివిజిబుల్ అవ్వదు. 2 టేబుల్స్ తో డివిజిబుల్ అయితేనే అప్పుడు 12 టేబుల్ తో డివిజిబుల్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, డిడ్ యు అండర్స్టాండ్? ఓకే.
11th one. Are all numbers which are divisible by 3 divisible by 9? Give examples. See, are all numbers which are divisible by 3 divisible by 9? Give examples. Okay children, this is homework. Next see the second one. Fill in the blanks to make the statement true. Fill in the blanks to make the statement true. Children, see here. First one, 4 3 dash 8 6. This number is divisible by 9. What is the statement of divisibility rule by 9? Yes. What is the statement children? Sum of the digits are divisible by 9. Sum of the digits means we have to add these numbers. Sum of the digits means here we have to add this number. 4 plus 3 is equals to how much? 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. Again here dash is there, no? Afterwards we will count this one. 7. 7 plus 8 is equals to how much? 7 plus 8 is equals to 15. 15 plus 6 is equals to how much? 15 plus 6 is equals to how much children? As 15 plus 6 is equals to 21. Is 21 is divisible by 9 or not? No. In 9 table 21 is not there. That's why here we have to add the number. Which number here we have to add? If we add here 1 means 21 plus 1 is equals to how much? 22. 22 is there in 9 table children? No, not there. Again we have to calculate 5. If we add 5 means 21 plus 5 is equals to how much? 26. Is 26 is there in 9 table? No, 26 also not there. So here we have to add 6. If we take 6 means 6 plus 21 is equals to how much? 27. 27 is there in 9 table or not? Yes. 27 is there. So here we have to write 6. Okay children, next see the second one. 9765 dash. This number is divisible by 10. Okay, now tell what is the rule of divisibility 10? Yes. In ones place must and should the 0. In ones place must and should the 0. So here we have to write the 0. 0 means the total number is divisible by 10. Now see the third one, 8, 6 dash. This number is divisible by 8. 8, 6 dash. This number is divisible by 8. Which number here we have to add, children? This is homework. First you go through the divisibility rule by 8. Once check the statements. Afterwards you have to write the answer. Now see. 83-776. This number is divisible by 11. This number is divisible by 11. What is the rule of 11? Sum of the odd places and sum of the even places. Again we have to take the difference. Difference means yes, subtraction, children. Okay, you have to go through the class. I already told in the class the statements now. Okay, children, you have to calculate this one and write the answer. And next, fifth one. 34562 dash. This number is divisible by 6. This number is divisible by 6. Divisibility rule by 6 means what we have to do? What is the statement? The statement is must and should divisible by 2 table, and again it should be divisible by 3. 2 table toni 3 table toni divisible aitene 6 toni divisible avutadi. Isn't it now, children? Okay, you also go through this one also. I already told in class. Okay, children, see once again you have to go through the statements and read that all. Afterwards write these 3 blanks. These 3 blanks are homework. Okay, children, after listening the class, you have to open your textbook. First of all, you have to open your textbook and go through all the divisibility rules. Once read all the definitions. First of all, once read all the definitions. Afterwards, open your classwork and write the classwork. After completing the classwork, you have to complete the homework also. Okay, children? Children, if you have any doubt, please contact me. I will clarify your doubts. Don't make the mistakes. Already we finished FA1 exams. How you wrote, you know that. Okay, children? Now onwards, you have to listen carefully all the classes and continuously you have to write the classworks and homeworks. Hope you all are very good children. That's why I am telling again and again, complete your classworks and homeworks. Whatever teachers are giving, you have to complete all the works. Thank you. See you in the next class. God bless you, children.